The flexible manufacturing cell laboratory is composed by several machines. These are these ones that we have over here or in our laboratory. We're gonna separate them by numbers. We can say that the first one is this. The second one is this one. The third one is this one. Fourth one. Fifth one. And the manager is the most important one. But well, just a little introduction. The first one is the warehouse, in which all the materials are separated and is the first part for all the process. The second one is the CNC, in which it's a specific manufacturing process. Then it's the milling, and then the welding robot, and at least, but not less important, the assembly robot. Each robot has different degrees of freedom. We can start with the first one, that it has 4 degrees of freedom and is specialized for the management of the material. The second robot has 5 degrees of freedom and a specialized axis named the seventh axis that permits a specific movement on the robot. We're going to talk about this one later. The third robot has 5 degrees of freedom, and the welding robot is the one that is more specialized because of all of the movements that they can do. That is why it has 6 degrees of freedom. And for the last robot, it's gonna have 4 degrees of freedom, and that's it. This is basically the manufacturing cell laboratory that we have on the camp. I had already explained the first component, the first table. It's stock footage. The manager indicates what piece will use on the process, and they indicates the location about it. The stock footage, take it and put it on the conveyor. That's his principal work. The second station is the lathe. It receives an indication about what kind of tool it will use, and it just drills the pieces that are located on the station by the arm. This station is programmed independently from the line manager. The third station is where the machining is located. This machine is specialized to give the special forms to the pieces. It's independent from the manager, and it works with different kind of pieces to get them shapes. The fourth station is where the welding robot is located. It's one of the most complete robots. It has 6 degrees of freedom because of all the movements that he has to have to reach all the spaces in the piece. This is one of the most complete ones and most specialized. The last station is where the quality control is located. Its pieces received and the camera is turned on to identify error or any issue on the specification. If it's wrong, the piece sends to the scrap, or if it's okay, it defines the finished piece. It also has like an ensemble station also inside of it, where the SCARAF robot can create special pieces like the one that is on the video right now, and it's one of the simplest robots, but it's really efficient.